Next short trick is based on bus and a person, bus and a passenger, bus and passenger. So the passenger was waiting for the bus, and the bus is coming with constant speed. Passenger want to catch the bus, so passenger will accelerate. So let's make one question. A passenger is waiting at bus stop, observes bus is going with constant speed of 2 meter per second. Passenger decides to board the bus. Find acceleration of person if it decides to board the bus in 5 seconds. So let's draw a diagram. Suppose this is a road and the passenger was standing on the road initially. He sees that the bus is going with constant velocity. Suppose this is the bus, it is going with constant velocity v. The velocity of the velocity of the bus is v, and initial velocity of the passenger is 0. The passenger is at rest initially. The moment the bus came in front of the passenger and the bus are at same point. The bus is going with constant velocity. Now to board the bus, to get inside the bus, the passenger has to run. But initial velocity is 0. So the person is accelerating. The person will accelerate. So after some time, the bus will be here and the passenger will be here. So they are again at the same position, because the person will catch the bus now. It will board the bus. It will jump into the bus here. But you observe the passenger velocity is changing from 0 to some value. But the velocity of bus is maintained constant. So what is same for both? What is same for both? You see, here the passenger and the bus are at the same position. But the passenger cannot board the bus because it is at rest. A person which is at rest cannot board a moving bus. Person can board the moving bus only when the person is in motion. So the person will accelerate. Let's suppose it will cover displacement s in the direction of motion of the bus. So if you consider bus, the acceleration is 0. So for the bus, we can apply s is equal to ut plus half at square, but the acceleration is 0. So for the bus, we can use s is equal to vt. The initial velocity of the bus is v, and it is same throughout. So instead of u, we will write v here. S is equal to vt. So constant velocity into time. Displacement is equal to vt for the bus. Now similar equation for the passenger. So for passenger, we will write s is equal to ut plus half at square. For the passenger, the initial velocity is 0 because it is at rest. And for the passenger, initial velocity is 0 because it is at rest, and displacement is s. So we'll say s is equal to 0 plus half a t square. the displacement of passenger and the displacement of bus both are equal. So we will say half at square is equal to Vt. So acceleration of passenger will be given as 2Vt by t square. One t is cancelled, so this will be 2V by t. So acceleration is equal to 2V by t. So we can consider it as a direct formula or the shortcut method to solve this type of situation. A person want to board a bus. Now the V, look at the question. The constant speed of the bus is given as 2 meter per second and the time is given as 5 seconds. So we will substitute it in this formula 2V by t. We'll get our answer 2 into 2 by 5, that is equal to 4 by 5, so that is 0.8 meter per second square.